how to fix a stuck chuck on a Black+Decker cordless drill. So whether it's stuck open like this or closed, what I recommend is putting your drill down on a flat surface like that and getting some lubricant like WD-40 or something like that and spraying it into the chuck and then leaving it alone for 24 hours would be best. Then come back, put it on a surface and see if the chuck untightens, and you want to twist the chuck towards you if it's stuck open and the tightening screw away, and hopefully that'll pop the chuck open. Obviously if it's stuck closed like this, let me just quickly do that for you. So it's stuck like that. What you want to do is obviously the opposite way. Again, spray that WD-40 in this section here and leave it alone. If you're still having trouble and you can't get a grip, use some mold grips. So grab this section here and this section and use the mold grips to really give you some grip to unstick the chuck. So hopefully that helps you out how to get a stuck chuck open on a Black+Decker cordless drill. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.